Mia, saying you must made me sound so aggressive today.
Don't worry, just use the rule book and the puzzle piece.
The different feelings make perfect sense now. Make perfect sense now.
Welcome to Grow English Mastery. Let's learn effortlessly.
I have a massive problem at work.
What is giving you a massive problem at work today?
People think my English sounds too aggressive.
You are probably using the word must way too much.
Why does must sound so overly aggressive?
Because must creates absolute urgency like a powerful king.
How do I fix my English communication?
Today, we will learn the secret feeling behind 3 words.
I am ready to fix my problem.
Let us start with the giant red stop sign, must.
How does must feel to native speakers?
Picture a giant red stop sign in your mind today.
It sounds very serious and extremely urgent.
Yes, it feels like a king giving a strong order.
So I should not use it daily.
Avoid it in normal office chats unless an emergency happens.
What counts as a serious, real emergency?
Say, we must leave when late for a flight.
What if our team server suddenly crashes?
Tell your IT team we must solve this problem now.
Can I use must for official laws?
Yes, you must wear a seatbelt is the law.
Passengers must show identification at the airport?
Exactly. Must sounds very serious, strong, and highly urgent.
Must is too strong for daily work.
Now let us look at the softer option, have to.
What is the feeling of have to?
Think of a big company rule book in your hands.
Does the requirement come from outside me?
Yes, the rule comes from a boss, system, or situation.
So I am just being a messenger?
Exactly. You state the rule without forcing your authority.
I say we have to follow rules.
Perfect. You are explaining a neutral procedure to them.
What if my schedule has a meeting?
Say, I have to join the meeting in 10 minutes.
How do I decline a lunch invitation?
Tell them, I have to finish this report first.
I am just blaming the report instead.
Yes, that makes your communication sound polite and professional.
Have to sounds like a neutral requirement.
Now, let us discover our secret weapon, need to.
Why is need to a secret weapon?
Because need to is the ultimate tool for teamwork.
What picture does need to create mentally?
Picture a missing puzzle piece needed to finish the job.
It is just a logical next step?
Yes, it focuses purely on practical necessity and cooperation.
So I say, we need to discuss.
Brilliant. You share a goal without bossing anyone around.
How do I gently remind my colleague?
Say, you need to check your email right now.
Let us compare all 3 words now.
Tell me about sending a daily work report.
Must sounds urgent. Have to sounds required.
And need to sounds practical, cooperative, and friendly.
Same meaning, but completely different feelings.
You officially mastered how to sound natural at work.
I am ready for the error lab today.
Let us step into the error lab and fix some bad grammar.
I will fix all the mistakes today.
Mistake number 1. We must do a meeting today.
Must is way too strong for a meeting.
Exactly. And the phrase do a meeting is completely wrong in English.
So I say we need to schedule it?
Perfect. You say, we need to schedule a meeting.
What is the second mistake for me?
Mistake number 2. I need call my manager now.
The little word to is missing from there.
Brilliant. You can never forget the word to after need.
I need to call my manager right now.
Spot on. You fixed both mistakes perfectly, like a native speaker.
I survived the dangerous error lab very easily.
You are officially a grammar superhero in English now.
I want to practice speaking these out loud.
Great. Listen to these 6 sentences and repeat them loudly with us.
I must leave for the airport now.
I must leave for the airport now.
I must leave for the airport now.
We must solve this big problem today.
We must solve this big problem today.
We must solve this big problem today.
I have to finish this important report.
I have to finish this important report.
I have to finish this important report.
We have to follow the company rules.
We have to follow the company rules.
We have to follow the company rules.
I need to call my client today.
I need to call my client today.
I need to call my client today.
We need to discuss the new project.
We need to discuss the new project.
We need to discuss the new project.
My mouth feels very natural speaking English now.
That is the power of our daily shadowing practice for your brain.
Let me quickly summarize the rules for today.
Go ahead. Show me your perfect memory of the lesson.
The word must is for a real emergency.
Correct. It creates an absolute urgency like a red stop sign.
The word have to is a neutral requirement.
Perfect. It is an official outside rule from a company or system.
And need to is a practical puzzle piece.
Exactly. It focuses on good teamwork and logical next steps.
I will always remember these 3 different feelings.
Now it is time for our amazing viewers to practice.
We have a fun homework challenge for you.
Write 3 sentences using must, have to, and need to below.
Connect them to your real daily life today.
We read every single comment, so drop your answers down below.
Hit that like button and subscribe for more.
Keep practicing every day and think fast, speak smart today.